Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade V2020, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, you can hold it to quickly access the settings for it. And I'm going to quickly go over a couple different things. So number one, we have the schedule, allows you to set up a schedule so it turns on and off automatically. Then we have default duration, meaning whenever you tap on the toggle, you have a couple options. You can have until turn off, that's the default state. Then you can set up a specific amount of hours. Now the moment you add or set up the hours right here, that's going to be always the amount of time it's going to turn on for. And then ask every time, which is probably the best option because it gives you the option to change the hours if you want to set up a specific timer on it. Now below that we have calls and messages, so you can allow calls from anyone, contacts, favorite, contacts, or no one. And messages has the same options. Now the difference between those two is that calls will come with the toggle right here, repeat or allow repeated callers, which will allow a call to go through if that person calls you twice within a 15-minute period. And it just completely bypasses the option above, so it could be set to no one and it just bypasses it. And messages, like I said, has the same as calls minus that repeated caller option. And we also have SEL exceptions, so just a couple different toggles for different kind of sounds and just overall kind of interruptions. And lastly, we have the notifications, so you can set up what kind of notifications will show up and when will they show up during Do Not Disturb mode. Now, once you set it all up, you don't have to actually come back here. So from now on, you can only just find the toggle, tap on it, and if you went with the option Ask Every Time, this will show up every time. So simply choose one of the options, tap on Turn On, and voila, Do Not Disturb mode is now enabled. And if you went with the scheduled route, once you set up your schedule, it automatically becomes enabled, and you don't actually have to turn on or off your Do Not Disturb mode, it will just do it automatically. Now, anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.